Imagine saving 3 to 5 hours every single day with free AI tools. Most people still waste time doing tasks AI can finish in seconds. In this video, you'll discover 7 powerful AI tools that can completely change the way you work in 2026. Let's get started. ChatGPT is still one of the most powerful AI assistants available today. It can write emails, generate content, explain complex topics, summarize documents, and even help you learn new skills in minutes. Claude is excellent for analyzing long documents and writing natural, human-like responses. It's one of the best tools for students, professionals, and researchers. Perplexity AI works like an AI-powered search engine. Instead of showing dozens of links, it gives direct answers with sources, helping you save valuable research time. Canva AI makes designing easier than ever. You can create thumbnails, presentations, social media posts, and even short videos in just a few clicks, without any design experience. ElevenLabs creates incredibly realistic AI voices. Whether you're making YouTube videos, podcasts, or audiobooks, it can produce natural-sounding narration in multiple languages. Runway helps creators edit videos using AI. Remove backgrounds, generate effects, erase unwanted objects, and create professional-looking videos much faster than traditional editing. Notion AI is much more than a note-taking app. It can summarize meeting notes, create project plans, write blog posts, organize tasks, and even generate action items from your ideas. If you manage work or study, this tool can save hours every week. You don't need to use all 7 tools at once. Start with one tool that solves your biggest problem. If you create content, use ChatGPT and Canva AI. If you're a student, Claude and Perplexity are excellent choices. For video creators, Runway and ElevenLabs can dramatically improve your workflow. The key is consistency. Master one tool before moving to the next. AI is evolving faster than ever. The people who learn these tools today will have a huge advantage in productivity and career growth tomorrow. Instead of fearing AI, learn how to use it to work smarter and achieve more in less time. One important thing to remember is that AI tools are meant to help you, not replace your creativity. The most successful people use AI to save time, automate repetitive tasks, and focus on ideas that truly matter. Start with one tool today, practice using it every day, and you'll be surprised by how much more productive you become over time. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI and productivity tips every week. Which AI tool is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.